Good morning, students. Welcome to Online Study System, CR International School, Tihada. Today we will discuss chapter number 13. The first question of today's assignment is: a solid toy is in the form of a hemisphere surmounted by a right circular cone. The height of the cone is 2 cm and the diameter of the base is 4 cm. Now we need to find the volume of the toy. Next, if a right circular cylinder circumscribes the toy, then find the difference of the volume of the cylinder and the toy. And in this question, we have to use the value of pi as 3.14. So let us start. A combination of two shapes, a hemisphere surmounted by a cone. So if we need to find the volume of the toy, it means we need to find the volume of hemisphere and volume of toy. The diameter of base is given 4 cm in the question, and you can see the base of all the shapes, the base of cylinder, hemisphere and cone is same. So the diameter of base is 4 cm. It means the diameter of all the shapes is 4 cm. The radius of base will be half of the diameter, that is 2 cm. Now since the base of radius, hemisphere and cone is the same, therefore the radius of all the shapes will be same, that is 2 cm. The height of cone is 2 cm given in the question. Now we need to find the height of the cylinder, which is not in the question. So the height of cylinder will be height of hemisphere plus height of cone, and the height of hemisphere means radius of hemisphere. The radius becomes the height of the hemisphere. So the height of cylinder becomes 2 plus 2, that is 4 cm. Now firstly we need to find the volume of the toy. The toy is a combination of hemisphere and cone. So we have to add the volume of hemisphere and volume of cone. The formula to find the volume of hemisphere is 2 upon 3 pi r cube, and the formula to find volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Taking 1 by 3 pi r square common from these two, we will get 2r plus h. Now putting the values 1 by 3, the value of pi is 3.14, that can be written as 314 upon 100, and the radius is 2, multiply with 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 plus 2. So solving it, you will get 2512 upon 100, it means 25 upon 12 cubic centimeter. This is the volume of toy. Now we have to find the difference between the volume of cylinder and volume of toy. The volume of toy is already there, but just we need to find the volume of cylinder. The formula to find the volume of cylinder is pi r square h minus volume of toy. Putting the value of pi is 3.14, the radius is 2, so 2 into 2, and the height of the cylinder is 4. Now solving it, we will get 50.24 minus 25.12. Subtracting this, we will get 25.12 cubic centimeter. So the difference between the volume of cylinder and volume of toy is 25.12 cubic centimeter. That's all for the day. I hope you can solve the remaining sums of today's assignment easily. That's all. Thank you.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.